Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn how to remove things in different ways from our original list. Right, so the first thing is the easiest one. You want to remove by position. So how to do that? You will say del as delete, and then you will say names as a name of your list, okay? And after that you will say what position you want to delete, okay? So 0, and then you will remove Michael. So now let's print names. So you will see Samantha, Anastasia, and John. Okay, that works. Now, how many times you can call these names 0? Multiple times, like a couple of more. And now, because every time, like you automatically kind of delete this position 0, so this will be stripped, then this, okay? So you will only be left with John here, I think. Yeah. So just remember, when you're removing 0, you are removing that first element, okay? First element at position 0. Okay, now of course you can use any other position, like position 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 will be John. So delete names 3 will be just Michael, Samantha, and Anastasia in names. Okay, so that's cool. There is the easiest way, of course, you probably know that. You can just type -1 and the result will be same. So that's the one thing. Now, how about removing by content? Up till now we are removing by position, but what about we want to remove, for example, John or Anastasia based on just name Anastasia, based on what is between these quotes. So you will say something like names dot remove, and then in a normal brackets you will type that content. For example, Anastasia, and let's run our script. So you will end up with Michael, Samantha, and John. Okay, now what will happen, for example, if you have two Michaels, for example? Okay, and you want to remove Michael. Will that remove all Michaels or only one Michael? Let me see. So the only first occurrences of Michael will be deleted. So let's actually double this operation, and now we need to have we'll remove first this one and then this one, and you will end up only with Samantha and Anastasia, which is kinda nice. Yeah, so yeah, I mean let's go to another example. Another example is if you wanna delete something that is at the end. Okay, but you will not use positions like -1, and you will not use actual content, you will use pop. So basically operation is popping, like names dot pop, and you don't need to specify any kind of arguments here, because the pop will work only by itself. It always target last element. Okay, so TLS, and let's change this Michael into John again, and let's run our script, and there you go, there is none of John. Right, so next time when you say pop again, okay, you can have multiple of those in a row, you will end up with Michael and Samantha. Now, the pop is very useful for one thing, and that is when it removes that last element, you can put that element for further processing for your own reasons into variable, like last element equals the thing that is popped. Okay, so clear screen, and now you will get John in last element. Why? Because then you can use it. For example, print last deleted element is, well, last element. And that is extremely useful in loops and so on. So you will definitely run in this option a lot. Okay, now, well, yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't want to go to 10 minutes again. 5 minutes, 6 minutes is a very nice tutorial. So in the next one, I think that will be last one about lists. We will also talk about lists. Why? Because they are very, very funny and useful. So I'm gonna shut up and render, and probably I wanna go to sleep, but I will see about that. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up, and as always, thank you for support and subscription. See you next tutorial.